Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the summary of the poem Fire and Ice. This poem is composed by Robert Frost. So let me start. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those with favor fire. This existing world will come to an end one day. People are divided on this issue. Some believe that this world will end in fire. Fire of passions and desire will lead to the end of the world. Some people think that this world will end in ice. Cold reasoning and hate will lead this world to destruction. However, the poet has experienced passions of love and desire. He supports those who believe that fire of passions and desires will lead to the destruction of this existing world. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Now the poet says that fire can bring the destruction of the existing world. But if this existing world has to be destroyed not once but twice, then ice is strong enough to do this job. The poet has seen and experienced enough of hatred in this world. Cold reasoning devoid of human feeling only produce hate, and this cold reasoning is like ice. The poet feels that this world of ours will come to an end. He is not very clear when the end will come. He comes to this conclusion on the basis of what people say on this subject. He seems to show that his agreement at what people say regarding the ending of the world. On the basis of what people think, the poet believes that this world will come to an end by the two highly contrasting but powerful elements of nature, and that are fire and ice. Either fire or ice, or maybe both, will be the cause of the ending of the world. Then the poet links these two powerful natural elements to human beings and their emotions. In the first stanza, the poet shows his agreement with those who believe that fire will cause the end of world. He links the element of fire to human emotion and desire of passion. The poet himself has experienced both these primal emotions of love as well as hate, fire as well as ice, passions as well as cold reason. He has experienced enough of hate which is born out of icy cold reasoning. In the end, Frost agrees that it does not matter whether it is fire or ice, both can cause the end of the world. Ice or hate born out of cold reasoning is quite sufficient for causing the end of the world. Okay, thank you.